In this video, we will make a SPLK-5001 exam preparation for Splunk Certified Cybersecurity Defense Analyst exam and share some free practice exams. There are 4 strategic tips you can take. 1. Create a study plan. 2. Understand the topics. 3. Hands-on practice. 4. Take practice exams. There are 6 topics contained in the SPLK-5001 exam. You should study each topic carefully. 1. An analysis of an organization's security posture determined that a particular asset is at risk and a new process or solution should be implemented to protect it. Typically, who would be in charge of designing the new process and selecting the required tools to implement it? A. SOC manager. B. Security engineer. C. Security architect. D. Security analyst. Answer: C. 2. An analyst is examining the logs for a web application's login form. They see thousands of failed logon attempts using various usernames and passwords. Internet research indicates that these credentials may have been compiled by combining account information from several recent data breaches. Which type of attack would this be an example of? A. Credential sniffing. B. Password cracking. C. Password spraying. D. Credential stuffing. Answer: D. 3. A cyber threat intelligence (CTI) team delivers a briefing to the CISO detailing their view of the threat landscape the organization faces. This is an example of what type of threat intelligence? A. Tactical. B. Strategic. C. Operational. D. Executive. Answer: B. 4. What is the main difference between a DDoS and a DOS attack? A. A DDoS attack is a type of physical attack, while a DOS attack is a type of cyber attack. B. A DDoS attack uses a single source to target a single system, while a DOS attack uses multiple sources to target multiple systems. C. A DDoS attack uses multiple sources to target a single system, while a DOS attack uses a single source to target a single or multiple systems. D. A DDoS attack uses a single source to target multiple systems, while a DOS attack uses multiple sources to target a single system. Answer: C. 5. Which enterprise security framework provides a mechanism for running preconfigured actions within the Splunk platform or integrating with external applications? A. Asset and identity. B. Notable event. C. Threat intelligence. D. Adaptive response. Answer: D. 6. Which of the following Splunk Enterprise Security features allows industry frameworks such as CIS Critical Security Controls, MITRE ATT&CK, and the Lockheed Martin Cyber Kill Chain to be mapped to correlation search results? A. Annotations. B. Playbooks. C. Comments. D. Enrichments. Answer: A. 7. Which of the following is the primary benefit of using the CIM in Splunk? A. It allows for easier correlation of data from different sources. B. It improves the performance of search queries on raw data. C. It enables the use of advanced machine learning algorithms. D. It automatically detects and blocks cyber threats. Answer: A. 8. A threat hunter executed a hunt based on the following hypothesis. As an actor, I want to plant Rundle 32 for proxy execution of malicious code and leverage Cobalt Strike for command and control. Relevant logs and artifacts such as sysmin, netflow, IDS alerts, and EDR logs were searched, and the hunter is confident in the conclusion that Cobalt Strike is not present in the company's environment. Which of the following best describes the outcome of this threat hunt? A. The threat hunt was successful because the hypothesis was not proven. B. The threat hunt failed because the hypothesis was not proven. C. The threat hunt failed because no malicious activity was identified. D. The threat hunt was successful in providing strong evidence that the tactic and tool is not present in the environment. Answer: D. 9. Which field is automatically added to search results when assets are properly defined and enabled in Splunk Enterprise Security? A. Asset_category. B.src_if. C.src_category. D. User. Answer: C. 10. Which of the following is a best practice when creating performance searches within Splunk? A. Utilize the transaction command to aggregate data for faster analysis. B. Utilize aggregating commands to ensure all data is available prior to streaming commands. C. Utilize specific fields to return only the data that is required. D. Utilize multiple wildcards across fields to ensure returned data is complete and available. Answer: C.